everybody, it's your girl Allie. Today I am going to make some Pillsbury Grands Flaky Layer Biscuits. Now you can see here the instructions are to heat the oven to 350. So the oven is already being heated or already at the 350. It says place biscuits 1 to 2 inches apart on ungreased cookie sheet. I've got an ungreased cookie sheet here that I'm going to place them on. And it says bake them for 13 to 16 minutes or until they are golden brown. So now over here you see it says pop, press, and peel, telling us to start here. So now I will have to be honest with you guys. I have to use a knife to get this open. Pillsbury, maybe you can come up with a better way, but your girl Allie has to use a knife to get this open. And I don't know, you guys may not have to, but I'm just letting you know what I do. And then once you get it to pop, you have your biscuits in here. Shout out to Alan for recording this for me. So you just go in here and you take your biscuits and you sit them. They're already nicely separated. And you can just sit them on your cookie sheet. Biscuit sheet, whatever kind of sheet you want to call it. And they say separate them about 1 to 2 inches. And we know we have a total of 8 that we're making. So you can just keep rolling it and just sit them on here, just like this. Notice I keep moving them over. And then we got our last one. And we put it right there. And you can see there's nothing else in here. And like I said, the instructions tell us to bake for 13 to 16 minutes. So now we're going to take these and we're going to put them in the oven. And they're going to be baking for 13 to 16 minutes. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It is your girl Allie, and you are watching Allie's View. So let's take a look at our biscuits. There they are. We're half the way there. They've been baking for about 6.5 minutes. They look great. Hit that subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View. All right. Our timer has stopped, and it is time to take our biscuits out. And look at them. They look fantastic. And these are the Pillsbury Buttermilk Grand Biscuits. And I can tell you guys, they are absolutely, they don't stick. You can see how you can just pick them up just like that. You can see the steam coming from it. As a matter of fact, oops, now your girl Allie is dropping things. Shout out to Alan for his great recording. But guys, you can see what the biscuits look like. And like I said, they come right up just like that. And so, like I said, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And these are the Buttermilk Pillsbury Grands Flaky Layers. And they do look just like the picture. Cannot wait to taste it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You're watching Allie's View. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm going to take a bite of one of my Pillsbury Grands. Delicious. And these are great with syrup. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You're watching Allie's View.